Funky. Hip hop.
Hi everybody, this is RB back another day with another unboxing. I'm gonna keep this quick because it's just another pair of Ray-Ban Wings 2. I don't know when they got released, maybe 3 years ago, but I've had 3 of them. I take very good care of my glasses. Always keep them clean and polished and in the case, yada yada yada. But they keep getting stolen from me because I always have them in my car. Always have at least one set of sunglasses in my car. In 2 of the cars, I have 2 sets of sunglasses, different kind of sunglasses. And yeah, so I got a bunch of sunglasses. And when I find something, I buy them in many colors. So the Ray-Ban Wings 2 I had in pink glass. I think those were the first ones. Green glass and brown glass. And so my last third pair got stolen recently. And the sun is here. I need a new pair. And I saw on Ray-Ban's site that they have a new Ray-Ban Wings 3. I'm gonna post pictures. They look exactly the same, but it is some kind of update. Update big enough for changing the name. So there must be something good with them. It's just that they couldn't be delivered. I think it was over a month. And I want these glasses now. Oh, it looks nice. Until Easter. And I found them on sale actually, yeah. So I'm going to buy the Wings 3 sooner or later anyway. But the Wings 3 were 220 euro, 225 maybe. And these were like 160 euro. It's just that the site that I ordered from, Visual Optica, kind of slow. I ordered another set of sunglasses from a friend the same time, and they got here just like 2-3 days later. These were nice. So these are blue. Looks not as blue as in pictures. They actually look small. They're nice. I like them. I really like the Wings. The Wings 2. They remind me of an old model that I really like. I'm gonna post a video of it. But yeah, this is my design, my taste. Maybe not for anyone. Maybe look a bit too much, but for me, I really like them. It's just that now when I need sunglasses with strength, we can't do that with these, but they look good. On the pictures, they were blue, which drew me to them. So much that I was thinking of ordering the Wings 3 in blue as well, so I can compare them exactly. Blue ones, blue 2, blue 3. But now live, at least with my eyes here, where I have light right there, they look black. Yeah, black. Not blue at all, actually. But they feel good. Really good. For me, these are the kind of sunglasses that, as you probably noticed, the instant I took them on me, I put it on me, I just feel cool, comfortable, good looking, happy. And that's one of the big reasons why I like sunglasses. They can really change your look, the way you feel, the way you appearance. Yeah. Ray-Ban Wings 2 a 3-year-old model. I've had a bunch of them. I think I have at least 2 videos of them. And the 3 are officially released, but they are not in store. I contacted 2 stores here. I contacted 3 websites, but they didn't even have a date on when they're going to have them. But if you go on Ray-Ban's site, the Wings 3 are there in 4 or 5 different colors. And the coolest one were the blue that doesn't look blue, but I'm gonna order them in this color so I can use for you actually, so I can compare the Wings 2 and the Wings 3 in the same color side by side, because according to the pictures I don't see, yeah, the only thing was that on the 3 these were in clear plastic instead of sort of blue colored. Yeah, that's the only thing I could see. Maybe that the frames were a bit more square. We will see. So this was part 1, an unboxing of an old pair of sunglasses, more or less. This is not the cheapest compartment, because you have the silky inside or suede inside. The cheapest one are like plastic. The more expensive one are in soft leather, but they are not as safe, because these can take some beating, because I usually have them in my glove compartment or in my daily bag, so I need to have them a little bit stiffer case. So this step 2 expensive case, it's good. This is it for this short video. What do you think? Do I look good in them? Do I fit in them? I think so. Thanks for watching.